Learn Hindi travel verbs fast. Pick up, pack, send in.
Hindi.
Welcome to the Great Bag Drama. Hey, you are about to learn useful Hindi verbs without falling asleep on your suitcase. Let's make these words stick with a ridiculous little adventure. Our hero is Sam. Sam has one mission: survive a trip without forgetting anything important. Sadly, Sam has the memory of a confused potato. So today you will help Sam learn key Hindi actions. When Sam needs to pick up or take along a bag, we use
ले जाना.
when Sam should bring something along for others, we use
साथ लाना.
when Sam must bring something back, we use
वापस लाना.
when Sam opens the suitcase to unpack, we use
खोलना.
when Sam packs clothes, we say
पैक करना.
and when Sam sends a parcel, we say
भेजना.
Yes, this trip already sounds dangerous. Sam leaves the house. Picture the front door, a backpack, and total chaos. This is where your first words become useful fast. Sam looks at the umbrella by the door and says, I need to take it along. In Hindi, that key action is
ले जाना.
Sam remembers the package after work. I will pick up the package. Again, the core Hindi phrase is
ले जाना.
Now Sam's friend says, can you bring along snacks? That becomes
साथ लाना.
So remember the contrast. Take along or pick up and go with it as often.
ले जाना.
But bring along with you for someone or to a place is
साथ लाना.
Sam repeats. Umbrella?
ले जाना.
Snacks for friends?
साथ लाना.
Single quote. Progress. Tiny, beautiful progress. The suitcase attacks. Now you and Sam face the wild beast known as luggage. Do not show fear, the socks can smell it. Before the trip, Sam must pack clothes, chargers, and 15 things nobody will use. The verb for pack is
पैक करना.
Sam says, I need to pack now.
पैक करना.
After the trip, Sam comes home, drops the suitcase on the bed, and has to unpack it. In this learning set, unpack is
खोलना.
Sam opens the suitcase and the clothes jump out like they were planning an escape. So, pack is
पैक करना.
unpack is.
खोलना.
One fills the suitcase, the other releases the fashion prisoners. Mini dialogue at maximum confusion. Listen to this short scene and notice how the verbs move things around. You can repeat after each line if you want. A. Did you pack the clothes? B. Yes, I did.
पैक करना.
Before breakfast. A. Great. Did you take along your passport? B. Yes, I remembered to.
ले जाना.
It. A. Did you bring along snacks for everyone? B. Of course, I will.
साथ लाना.
Mango chips. A. In my book? You borrowed it last week. B. Oops, I will.
वापस लाना.
It tonight. A. Good. After the trip, don't forget to unpack. B. Yes, I will.
खोलना.
The suitcase. A. And please send the tickets now. B. Fine, I will.
भेजना.
Them right away. A. Amazing. You are almost a functional adult. B. Thank you. It is my dream. Bring back the charger, you monster. This next word is perfect for borrowed books, keys, and chargers that mysteriously disappear. You know exactly who you are. When you need to bring something back, use
वापस लाना.
Imagine Sam borrowed a charger, a notebook, and maybe a frying pan for no clear reason. Sam now says, I will bring back the charger. That key Hindi phrase is
वापस लाना.
Think of a boomerang. It goes out, then comes back. That is
वापस लाना.
If Sam just takes something away, that is
ले जाना.
If Sam brings it back later, that is
वापस लाना.
Moral lesson. Borrowing is fine. Returning is heroic. Post office panic. Now the trip gets official. There is a parcel, a line, and at least one person filling forms with dramatic sighs. Sam walks into the post office holding a box wrapped so badly it looks like a stressed mummy. Sam wants to send the package today. The Hindi verb is
भेजना.
Send the email?
भेजना,
Send the parcel?
भेजना,
Send the documents quickly because the deadline is chasing you like a tiger in office clothes? Still.
भेजना.
Easy, useful, and much calmer than Sam. Speed drill. Your turn. I say the English, and you try the Hindi before the answer comes. Pick up.
ले जाना,
Take along.
ले जाना,
Bring along.
साथ लाना,
Bring back.
वापस लाना,
Take away.
ले जाना,
Unpack.
खोलना,
Pack.
पैक करना,
Send.
भेजना.
Tiny memory tricks. Let's glue these words into your brain with quick images. Slightly silly images work best. 4.
ले जाना,
Imagine lifting a bag and marching away like a very proud airport penguin. 4.
साथ लाना,
Imagine showing up at a party with snacks like a legend. 4.
वापस लाना,
Picture a borrowed book flying back to its owner like a guilty bird. 4.
पैक करना,
Imagine folding clothes so well that even your suitcase claps. 4.
खोलना,
See the suitcase opening and socks escaping dramatically. 4.
भेजना.
Picture a parcel wearing rocket engines and zooming to its destination. Your final challenge. You are ready for one last mission. Help Sam survive the day in Hindi. Say these in Hindi as best as you can. 1. Take along your bag. Answer.
ले जाना,
2. Bring along some fruit. Answer.
साथ लाना,
3. Bring back my book. Answer.
वापस लाना,
4. Pack the clothes. Answer.
पैक करना,
5. Unpack the suitcase. Answer.
खोलना,
6. Send the parcel. Answer.
भेजना.
If you got several right, fantastic. If not, no problem. Even Sam is still trying to pack one sock at a time. Goodbye, brave traveler. You made it through the great bag emergency. That is honestly impressive. Today you practiced pick up, take along, bring back, take away, unpack, pack, and send in Hindi.
ले जाना, साथ लाना, वापस लाना, खोलना, पैक करना,
And.
भेजना.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing out loud, use the words in your own little stories, and come back tomorrow so these Hindi verbs start feeling natural. You are doing great.